This 2022 Forest River Sabre 37 FLH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Clermont, New Jersey, 08210 and is offered for sale by Driftwood RV Center. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Driftwood RV Center.